Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make Pagdi for Krishna Janmashtami. Take a newspaper and fold it as shown. The width is approximately 2 inch and the length depending on the diameter of the head. Take a cloth and then wrap it as shown. Here I am using velvet cloth. Here I am stitching it as it is velvet cloth. Otherwise you can use glue gun. Keep twisting the cloth and then stitch it as shown. On one side I've used green with red and on the other side I've used only green. So this is how it looks after completing. Take the cardboard and cut it into round shape and then stick the tissue paper using Fevicol. Apply some gliding paste. If you do not have this, you can use Fevicol as well. And then stick this gold foil on top of it. Next, take a paper of width 3 inch, approximately 3 inch. Wrap the paper with the cloth. Pleat it as shown. Now arrange all the accessories. This is how it looks after completing. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.